Hello everyone. This video is going to be a small run through of the online platform that we are going to be using for our labs. The online platform I'm talking about is Google Colab. Since this is an online platform, you don't need any kind of installation, and you can just type in Colab in your web browser and click on the first link that appears. Now, if you are not logged in to your Gmail account, they will require verification. But if you are logged in, something like this interface will appear. Now, from this interface, you can upload notebooks from Google Drive, GitHub, or even from your hard disk, or even open up an existing notebook by clicking on one of the links. Now for this demonstration, we're going to be creating a new notebook by clicking here. And this is going to take you to an interactive environment, which is called IPython Jupyter Notebook. Now, the Jupyter Notebook is basically an interactive computational environment where you can write your Python code, write any kind of text to document or comment on your codes. You can even write LaTeX and plot graphs. So the first cell that you see in the interface is actually a code cell, and you can write any kind of Python code here. For example, for demonstration, I'm going to type in a text which says hello Colab. Now, in order to run this cell, you'll either have to press on this play button or use a shortcut which is Shift Enter, which I'm going to use. Now, as you can see, this is loading, and as you can see, this is connecting to the online server, and you'll have to wait for this to initialize and run. And after that, you can see the output right here. Now, the other kind of cell that I will be talking about is the text cell. In order to get a text cell, you can either click on this top left button or hover on one of the existing cells and add your text cell wherever you want it. If you want it on top of your existing cell, you have to click here. If you want it at the bottom of your existing cell, you click here. Now, now you have to double click in one of these text cells in order to edit it. So, for example, I'm writing intro to Colab right here. As you can see on your right hand side, the preview is also showing, right? Also, you can select this and modify your text whichever way you like. For example, if you want to bold it, you can do that. Or if you want to italicize it, you can do that too. Okay. As you can see, the text has appeared. You can add multiple code cells and text cells by just clicking on these buttons right here. You can even delete your text and code cells by just clicking on this recycle bin button like this.